And because it's the first question, it's supposed to be relatively simple, all right? Let's make that big up. So the value of an investment in dollars after n years could be modeled by the recurrence relationship shown below. Okay, this investment earns compound interest rate at 5% per annum, okay, but it's compounded quarterly. What is the value of R? Well, if you remember, it's R is equal to 1 plus R over 100, where this rate here is my interest rate. Well, in this situation, it's R divided by the number of compounds, all right? So R divided by N. So for me to be able to work this out, I'm going to do 5% per annum. I'm going to divide it by 4, because that's going to give me my quarterly, because that's what it wants. Yep, that's what it wants. And then I'm going to divide that by 100 and then add 1 to it. The reason I'm dividing by 100 because it was a percentage. So 5 divided by 4, divide that by 100, and we're going to add 1 on. It gives me 1.0125. C is the correct answer. The value of